one of our favorite altcoins out there. Cardano is currently ranked number 5 in terms of all altcoins. It has a $48 billion market cap, just ahead of Dogecoin, just behind Binance Coin. And the big thing that came out with Cardano the other day is that Cardano has can officially run smart contracts according to a development update. Pretty exciting because right now what I like about Cardano is it's more energy efficient than Ethereum. It can run NFTs, and now it has smart contracts. Yes, it's not fully rolled out yet, but what they said according to the update is that apparently we could create a very simple smart contract, already pass it to the ledger, and they could already have their first smart contract written on the network. They said that this comes in the middle of the Alonzo Blue phase. There's 3 phases for Cardano. The first is blue, the second's white. So there are 3 phases in total. They're in the first phase currently. They said that they should have phase 2 beginning in July. As long as they can submit, validate, and execute on the chain, then they'll be ready to go for phase 2 in the process in July. The whole entire process can take about 90 days. So we'll see. Hopefully everything stays on track. But right now the good news is they already have these smart contracts that they are talking about, and they said that they can do basic smart contracts, sort of like for coding. If you've ever taken a coding class or something like that, like back in high school, I took a coding class, and your first thing that you would ever do is you would say hello world. And they're saying that's the equivalent of what they could do right now with the Alonzo upgrade and smart contracts. So that is exciting. Other thing with Cardano is that I've been reading a lot of articles saying how whales are continuing to buy Bitcoin. Some of them are moving into Ethereum, but many people are not buying, of the big players are not buying Cardano, are not looking into some of these smaller altcoins. So now is the time to buy them. Like, it's interesting to look at these articles because I agree with a lot of what they have to say. Right now, we're seeing a lot of money flow into Ethereum from institutions because of Ethereum ETFs, Ethereum ETPs, exchange-traded products. We're seeing more money come into Ethereum, but still, we're not seeing the money go into a lot of these smaller altcoins yet. Like, Cardano's not small, it's in the top 10, in the top 5, but we are seeing that institutions are not looking towards these smaller altcoins just yet. Given time, we're going to see them put money into them, but at the moment, we are not. So it's like saying, let's get into Ethereum 12 months ago before institutions started putting money in. That's what Cardano, in my mind, looks like. Because once we see, let's say, Tesla say, oh, we're going to accept Cardano, oh, we're going to accept Dogecoin, or oh, we're going to accept some other smaller altcoin, maybe Solana, who knows? Once they announce that they're going to accept some other more energy efficient coin, and we see other companies do that, well, then maybe we're going to see institutions start getting involved in those coins as well. Because right now, really, institutions are in Bitcoin and Ethereum, that's it. So getting into Cardano now, especially with all the potential they have for smart contracts, NFTs, DeFi applications. I think it's like getting in on the ground floor, getting in very early before institutions get in. So yeah, Cardano is one of my favorite coins out there. I think it has massive potential. I think it can overtake Ethereum long term. We'll just have to wait and see how many people actually use the platform, how the development process continues to go, and how the rollout of these smart contracts